Okay, so notice this right now. Particularly, are you right-handed?
Yeah.
Yeah, see he's having trouble here with his left arm being up like this, right? Can you see that the right one's going down a little bit better? Watch this go down. This will help it go down at least. Okay, so I'm going to come in here, and now I want you to straighten these first, and then internally and externally rotate the whole humerus. It's the whole humerus through the glenohumeral joint. Very good. Yeah. Very good, about that speed right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm kidding. Just do it at your own speed. All right. And then I just come in. See this cross arm? This works really good because you've got a natural. All you do is drop your body weight this way. You don't have to be pushing things away because your natural angle of drive is already pushing them laterally, and that's what you want to do. You're right at the coracoid. Whoa, a little tender on that right side. Okay, stop. You can come on back up here for one more time, one minute again. Extended elbows, externally and internally rotate. And you can do the same thing. We do a thing called cross-arm shoulder depression. You've seen that in some of my books where you do this, except this time we're on pecs, or you can do cross-arm shoulder, fist with cross-arm. Dropping your body weight. Get your body over your target where you just have to drop down. You're not having to muscle them. Notice the extended elbows. I have extended elbows. Come on up a little higher, 135. There you are, right there. Right there. He really needs this pec work a bunch. Okay, put this arm down. Now we'll do one side, 90 degrees of flexion, 90 degrees of abduction. You can come in like this. Now just externally rotate. I'm just going to externally rotate him passively. Okay, got that. I like this one quite a bit because you can anchor like this and you don't have to use a lot of your own energy, and you can come in either with an elbow like this and do internal and external rotation. In this case, I'm going to do rotating this direction. And I can pull at the same time, distract and rotate. All right. Many, many ways to do that.